In this video, I will develop a frame-based application, and also I will show you by adding few components to that frame-based application. So basically we will learn how to develop frame-based application. So there are more than one ways in which you can write a frame-based application, means more than one designs are possible. So I will group them and say first method. So first method I will show you. Then we will see second method. So in that there are variations. I will show you that. So let us start. So for developing frame-based application, we have to import java.awt and all the classes. See, it is showing all the classes inside that. So I want all of them. Okay. So let us say star. Later on, I said that whichever class you are using in an application, you should import that only. It's better. If you import all of them and you are not using, then your application may be too heavy. So for a GUI application, you must create a frame. You should use frame for desktop application, which will run directly on desktop, just like other application like Notepad and all. We must use frame. So I will create an object of frame. Frame f assign new frame. So there is a default constructor available for frame. Are there any more constructors? You should be familiar with the constructors here in AWT classes. Let us look at frame class. Inside this frame, I will look for, yes, frame. Inside this class, let us look at constructors. See, directly I am showing documents so that you too can visit there and you can get help from there. Okay. And this is very useful. If you are used to in getting the help from Java documents, then you can learn more and more new things by yourself. Let us look at constructors. See, one is a non-parameterized. Second one, it is taking graphics configuration. If you are mentioning any configuration, then you can use the object of this class and you can use it. The next is you can mention a title if you want any title. And next is title as well as graphic configuration. So I will give a title. I'll give the title as my first app. Frame object is created. Let us run. Nothing has happened. Nothing has happened here. I was expecting a frame to appear. No, how it is possible? You have to set it visible. Okay, you have to set it visible. F.set visible. See, when I say set, there are a lot of methods that are coming up. Set visible true. Okay, so I should create a frame. And if you want it to appear on the screen, then say set visible. Now run it. Here it is coming. What is this? Just a small strip. If I expand, okay, my app. Oh, it's an application. Yes, it's an application. But why it was coming so small? Okay, I should set the size. Let us close this one. Oh, it is not closing. Yes, it will not close. It will not close. For this also, you have to write on some code. So we will learn about this one later on, not now. Go back to the application and click on stop. So stop it forcibly. It has stopped now. Then I should set the size. So before setting it true, I will say f.set size. Set size. See, these are the important methods that you must know and you must remember. Set size. I will give the width as 300 as well as height as 300. Now let us run and check what happens. Yes, a bigger size window is appearing. A bigger size window. If you want more bigger, this was 300, right? So if you want bigger, you can mention any size that you want. So these were the first steps. We saw that we should create a object of a frame, then set its size and set it visible as true. So this is the first step that we have done. Now next, setting the size and setting it visible, we can do it at the last. Now I want something inside this. I want a button to be added. So let us add a button. Button be assign new button. This is a constructor. So as I said, in AWT classes, it's better you should know about the constructors. There are multiple constructors for the classes. So what are the constructors for button class? Let us look at them. I will go to Java doc and inside this, I will take a class that is button. Yes, this is a button class. There are two constructors. One is non-parameterized, another one which takes a label. Okay, so I will use the second constructor. I will give label. So I will give the label as okay. Now, will the button be appearing on the frame? No, it will not appear. I should add this button to this frame. This is the one more important thing. So whatever the components you want, you must add them to a frame. So write f.add. Yes, add. What is the component? B. See, NetBeans has automatically taken B because we have created B just now. So this button will be added. Then set its size and set it visible. Let us run. Where is the button? Oh, okay. It's not looking like a button. I will click it. Oh, entire window is getting clicked. Yes, this button is occupying complete area of this one. No, I want a small button. So no, it will not give a small button. It will give a big size button covering entire frame. Then how to change the size of this button? So now we will see how to change the size of a button. I will stop this application forcefully, then come back. Now, before adding anything or just after creating a frame, we should do one thing. If you want the things to be in their original sizes, you have to set the layout. So by default, there is some layout set, that is border layout. We have to change it to flow layout. So what are layouts? We will learn them in next video. Just I will show you how to set flow layout. Set layout. So directly create object of flow layout and give it. Now afterwards, I have created a button and added a button, then set the size and set it visible. See, these are the steps that we are learning. Okay, I will run it now. Okay, this is smaller in size. Yes, perfect. This is perfectly looking like a button. It is clicking. Nothing will happen because we have not given any functionality here. Close. It will not close. Come back and close it. Button is over. Now next, after adding a button, I want to add one more thing, that is label. Label, L assign new label. So obviously for a label, I should give something here. Yes, I give it as a name with a space label. So label is ready. It will not appear on the frame. You know very well now that for showing it on the frame, you must add it. Okay, I will add it afterwards. Next, I want text field, TF, new text field. So for text field, there are constructors. So you can visit the constructors. I am just directly showing it here. I want a text field of size 20. Text field is ready. So a text field of size 20 is created. Now I have three things: button, label, text field. Then already button is added. But before that button, first of all, I want to add a label. Add label. L for label. I have taken reference as L. Then F dot add. Next I will add a text field. Yes, NetBeans has taken is that text field reference. Three things are added. Then set the size of a frame and make it visible. Okay, so I'll explain you again quickly. Created a frame and set the layout so that components looks properly. They should not occupy big sizes of a complete frame window. Then creating all components that we want to add to frame. Next step, adding all of them to a frame. Then setting the frame size and making it visible. Run. Yes, I got a text field. In that cursor is blinking. I can type something there. Oh, yes, I can type something there. OK button is there. But if you press, nothing will happen because we have not seen how to write the functionality, right? Now go back. So I will stop it here. I have shown you how to add components like button, label and text field. But I have not shown you how to add the functionality. So for adding functionality, we should know event handling. So I should explain you what is event handling. Then we can handle the event and provide functionality behind those components. So just I have shown you how to develop a application by adding components. So this is one method I have shown you. Then the second method and the variation in that I will show you in the next video. So you practice this thing. Then afterwards I'll explain what does it mean by event handling. Then for every component we will look at in detail, and also along with that we will do event handling. For every component we will do. Okay, that's all in this video. Write down this program by yourself. Check it by yourself. Okay, if you are getting any doubts or any problem, just ask me a question in question answer section just below this video.